Good morning. So
Good morning. That is morning.
Hey guys, so today it's not a whole lot that we have planned, but I do want to try to go find some more clothes today. I really do need clothes. I told y'all I've been doing the whole KonMari method on the whole house, and I went through my closet and I threw so much stuff away to the point where I literally have like 2 t-shirts and a jumpsuit to wear, and I'm wearing a jumpsuit today. Jacob. So even though I hate the dressing room and I went through that whole, you know, depression moment, I am going to go try to find something to wear today because I really do need clothes. So yeah, me and the kids are just gonna be out hanging out today, and you know, I'm gonna be going in and out of the store, so hopefully I can find some stuff. So I guess I figured I would take you guys with us. And plus the kids really wanted to get out the house. So yeah, hope you guys are having a good day. Let's get this day started right. Let's get this day started right. Jacob keeps trying to talk to y'all. What is it, Jacob? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want?
Okay. So I'll go with Susie and
You are not going to Susie's house. Okay. Alright, we'll see y'all when we get to our next destination. I want to stop at a thrift store. I used to thrift so much. If I can't stand the smell, y'all, I'm gonna be in and out. But first stop, thrift store. I'm already itching. And then we're gonna hit the mall after that. Alright guys, we made it to the Goodwill. I only found one thing. I found this really cute dress I really just can't walk away from. I don't know, I may have to leave it here though, because it's see-through and I don't really like see-through stuff. So I don't know, I tried on all this stuff and only got one item, so I wanted to show y'all this right here. Kids up here playing. Look at this face, this lamp right here. It's just so pretty, and it's only $8. They have some pretty cute home stuff too. Alright guys, so we're on our way into Forever 21. Hopefully I can find something. I ain't found none yet. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay. These are cute. Alright, let's...
Oh, now you probably did. We did been here.
Yes. Hey guys, what a long day I have had. I had a long day, y'all. So me and the kids literally were like running around all day. It is almost 10 o'clock and me and Noah, we just got home. So we did a bunch of running around. We brought Jacob back home, and then Noah wanted to get some stuff, so we ended up coming back home, dropping Jacob off and going back out again. And Noah and I just got back in. I just bathed the kids and put them to bed, so I am so tired. But I got some good stuff. I got some good stuff. I got some good stuff. So I wanted to give y'all a quick little haul real quick. Just a real quick one. I don't think I'm gonna show y'all everything. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow, but I just wanted to show y'all like some pieces that I thought was really cute. So we started off at the Goodwill, and to be honest, the Goodwill, like, they had some stuff, like they had like BB, but the smells was bothering me. And another thing is, it's like if you go to Ross, you would pretty much spend the same amount of money in Ross that you would the thrift store. So I was like, why buy something that's already been worn when I can get something brand new for the same price? Okay. But I did look though. If I would have found something that was worth buying, I would have gotten it. Like, my mindset was, when I was trying stuff on, was it has to be something I cannot walk away from, and I just didn't find that thing. I found one item, which was that dress I showed y'all. It had a stain on the sleeve, and I was just like, no thank you. So yeah, anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a few things of what I got. I won't show y'all everything, but I will show y'all a few things. So y'all, it was so cute. So the kids were in the dressing room with me, and they were rating the stuff that I was trying on. Like, we honestly had such a good time out. Even Jacob was in on it. He was like, oh, mommy, that's nice. Mommy, that's cute. So when I came out of the dressing room, there were like women waiting on us, and they were like, we heard you guys in the other dressing room, and oh my gosh, you guys were so cute. They were honestly telling you what to buy, and it was just so much fun. So I didn't really get to pick the camera up because we legit were just having a good time. I actually kind of forgot about y'all. Sorry, but when the kids was just having a good time, so I didn't want to be trying to get the camera, and you know, they get geeked and turn into other people when that camera comes out. Anyway, so I found this t-shirt here with arrows, and it has like this little gathering on the side of it. I just thought this was really cute with the arrows on it. That's something that Noah picked out for me. Noah also picked out this shirt right here. Let's see if I can get the sleeves out. It has like the little cap sleeves, and it has watermelons on it. It is so cute, y'all. But yeah, so Noah picked this out. It's really cute on me too, and it was only $8.99. The other one, I don't know how much it was. Okay, and then let's see, this one here. I thought this was cute. Oh, this has to be my favorite. Noah found this one, and she was like, Mommy, you have to get this. And when I saw it, I was like, I love it. So it's just a little pineapple, like short sleeve with a tie at the end. Super cute. Y'all, I'm gonna run through these, okay? Because I have a whole bag from Forever 21. Look at this, look at this, look at this. You can't see all of this stuff, but so much stuff. So what was going on at Forever 21 was they have like half the store is on clearance. So I didn't even look at the clearance item. I just so happened to just pick up 2 items that was on clearance with the rest of my stuff. And when I got to the register, the lady was like, oh, your total was $8. And I was like, $8? $8? And she was like, yeah, so everything on that side where you were shopping, it's 50% off the clearance tag that's on there. So she was like, I was like, wait a minute, then I need to go back over there, because I was putting stuff back because I was just like, oh, well, this is not worth buying, and this is not worth buying. And yeah, I went back over there and racked up on some more. So yeah, if you have a Forever 21 in your area, go check it out, because it was already clearanced, and then when you get to the register, there's an extra 50% off. So yeah, Forever 21 was legit winning today. And this is, I know y'all won't be able to see this, oh no, but anyway, this is a duster, and I just thought this was so cute. It's really a dress, but when I tried it on, I asked the guy that was working there, he was a stylist in the store, and I was like, so how does this look? And he was like, oh, I think that little duster is so cute. And that's what I wanted him to say. I wanted him to think that it was a duster and not a dress. It's just a dress that's too big that I don't buckle. And when I told him that it was a dress, he was like, oh, good idea. So anyway, this was $30. I thought it was really pretty, really fun for summer, but it's just a long duster. You guys will see me in it, trust. This is, dang it, this thing is inside out, y'all. Okay, so this is just a blue and white jumpsuit. It's all tangled up, but it has shorts and the top is like this. So it's just a one-piece romper. And then I picked up some shorts, black and white, and I picked up another pair of white and black shorts. And then the last item, I had to pick it up because Noah was like, "Mommy, that is so cute." So yeah, I know y'all can't really see it, but y'all get the gist. And then I found this pencil skirt. It's just a black pencil skirt, and it's like a high waist pencil skirt. So cute, and it's a staple. Like I could throw this on with anything I got. So yeah, y'all, that's it. I'm sorry that today was a short video, but it's okay. We still have, oh my goodness, y'all, we're almost over with VLI. Like, I'm gonna be sad. We'll talk about tomorrow what we're gonna do after this. I want to do a sit down video tomorrow about like a specific topic, so we'll do that. Maybe I'll do my makeup or do my hair. I don't know. We'll just sit and talk. Maybe I'll vlog. I don't know, y'all. Maybe I'll give you guys a tour of the beauty room. I don't know, like something. We'll do something tomorrow. I don't know. I have no plans, but we'll figure it out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow. You would think I'd be ready to go to sleep since my butt been out shopping all day. Babe was like, "Yo, this is why I don't go out with you." Y'all, I left the house at 8 o'clock this morning. I ain't come back to 10 p.m. That's so sad, I know. But anyway, love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying VLive, watching us and seeing us every single day in the month of July. Go tell Evelyn hello. And yeah, I'm not gonna ramble. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.